Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video I will be showing you what are you going to learn in this particular course. So this course will change how you view someone's handwriting and your own handwriting. You will be able to find someone's personality, their real personality aspects by just looking at their handwriting, right? So right now, whenever you look at handwriting, you may be thinking handwriting is small, handwriting is large, handwriting is dark, light, etc. Yet what does it help us know? Well, you may be not knowing that. Yet after completing this course, you will be able to know that and you will be able to decode that in someone's handwriting, right? You will be able to find that. So we are going to get started with basics. What is graphology, what is graphotherapy, what are different methods of analysis, etc., right? And then we will get into small letters. What are small letters? What does it help us know? What are particular letter type help us know? For example, high T bar, for example, big O loop, inner loops, then different variations of all letters A to Z. So we'll be learning about all letters, all 26 letters, and then we will be able to find if writer is an introvert, if writer is having good confidence level, patience levels, is writer social, or is writer someone who is having good blood pressure or not. So we will be able to find a lot of things by just looking at small letters. You will be learning about all letters in this course. Then we will learn about combination letters. Now you have learned about all small letters. Now you must able to know what can combination help us know. So for example, letter combining this two letter or even this two letter, let's say this two letter can help you know about someone's overall communication skills. So is that someone who is having good communication skill as a talking as well as listening, or is that someone who doesn't have that? There are some writers who are good at talking yet not at listening. There are some letters who are opposite. So you will be able to find that by combining letters, and I will be teaching you that as well, right? You will be able to learn about finances as well, how writer handle their personal finances, their home finances, as well as their social finances. So you will be able to find that through combination letters. This is a new concept in graphology. I will be teaching you that in this course. And then we will move to all capitals from A to Z, right? A to Z. First we will learn about capital A, then B. Serial wise we will learn about all 26 letters. We will study about different combination, like here you can observe letter H, capital H, letter O, letter W, letter T. Every letter we will learn about different combinations, right? Capital letter help you know about starting energy or how writers start something, right? Is writer someone who doesn't start things very quickly, or is writer someone who take a lot of time and then start things? That can be found out through capitals, right? So you will learn about all capitals as well as all small letters. And then we will move to Gestalt method. So this is a common method. If you have ever learned about graphology or have any basic knowledge of graphology, then I believe you already have some knowledge about this. For example, handwriting is going in upward downward direction, upward downward direction, right? Handwriting size is small, it is medium. Handwriting is going in downward direction completely, not upward, just fully in downward direction. Handwriting is medium size, large size, etc., right? So these are all part of Gestalt method. We will learn about all Gestalt method concepts: spacing between words, is writer an independent person, is writer someone who like connected connection with others, or other different personality aspects, right? And then we will move to extra text. So other than capital letters and small letters and even Gestalt method and combination letters, we'll learn more about different traits. So for example, Einstein's handwriting, genius handwriting, then loops, small loop, big loop, then the gaps between letters. So we will study different extra traits. These are four. We studied more about extra traits as well in different videos, right? So we'll study extra traits as well in this course. And then we will move towards analysis steps. Now you have learned all the concepts, how to do analysis, how to get the sample of writer. Well, I will be teaching you that as well in this course. So I will teach you how to take someone's sample, and then what are steps to do analysis, and then I will show you demos as well in order to help you do analysis, right? So we will be using PNC method of doing analysis to get you do analysis in a better manner. And then we will go to graphotherapy, how to suggest changes. So writer is having bad trait, negative trait, then how to suggest the right change. I will teach you that as well in this course. And then we will complete the course. So for example, in this course we are going to learn how to find someone's whole personality by just looking at their handwriting analysis, right? By just looking at their handwriting. So thank you for watching. I believe you have got to know what are you going to learn in this course. Before doing this course, you may not know what handwriting means, and after completing this course, how you view at handwriting and particular letters will significantly change. So that's all. Thank you so much for enrolling in, and I believe you learned something new. That's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.